painting a series of 3 garage doors. You can recreate this look at your own home if you'd like. We're going to show you how to do that. Clean the door with our deglosser to remove any of the residue. I'll start right here in the center, and I'm going to kind of stay between this panel of the door just to kind of keep my lines going. I'm going to work very left to right here. And that on a terry cloth rag, making a flat surface that's got some tooth to the rag, and that's going to create some graining and striping in this. Gel stain is a solvent-based product, so it's very durable, long-lasting, and it's going to give us a semi-transparent look. And I'm going to use this rag to dial it back and give it some grain to kind of mimic the grain of a wood. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.